Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install and activate second hard drive or hard disk in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. I attach 2 TB hard disk to my PC, but when I go to this PC, it is not showing me any hard disk. It is not showing me any drive. That is our problem. Basically, this is not a problem. We not initialize our hard disk. That's why it is not showing on our this PC. This is our problem and we are going to fix this. Close it. Now go to the start. Right click on the start. Not left click. Right click on the start. Here we find disk management. Click on the disk management. And as soon as we click on disk management, one pop-up box is open or Windows is open. Here is the initialize disk. It's asked to initialize your newly add hard disk. This is our hard disk number 1. It is showing at this point and it is showing use the following partition style for selected disks. First is the MBR. MBR is the old style partition when you use Windows XP, Windows 7, 10. That is use MBR, but in modern world we use GPT. GPT is the modern partition. Here we see note GPT is not working with the older version like XP 7. It is not working with the GPT, but we are using Windows 11, so go with the GPT. It is very fast. Go with the GPT. Always go with the GPT. Click on the OK. Now here we find unallocated space. My hard disk is 2 TB and 2 TB space unallocated. Right click on it. Here click on the new sample volume. Click on the new sample volume. Click on the next. Here we find our space. I give the entire space to the new drive. If you want to create multiple drives, then decrease the space and then use the same process and create multiple drives. I go to the next. Here I give the D drive. You can give any drive letter that you want. Click on the next. Next. Click on finish. Our drive is created now. Here we find our drive is created now. Here click on this PC. Double click on it. And here we find our new drive. It is an 1.99 TB means 2 TB free. Okay, double click on it. And here is our data. Use that drive. So guys, this is the simplest way to install and activate second hard drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.